Hello, my name is Angelica. I testify to the results of using methods from the teaching of Grigory Grubovoi by using the device of development of concentrations of eternal life PRK1U3 modes configured to medical profiles. The testimony was written on November 15, 2020. On November 10, 2020, my daughter asked me to help her heal the pain in the big toe of her left foot. The toe was very painful, red, and swollen. According to my daughter, it had been hurting for many days already. The diagnosis was panaritium. To help my daughter, I used the following methods. Counterclockwise rotation along the lenses of the device. I worked by this method once for 15 minutes. 2. Concentration on number sequences from Grigory Grubovoi's book Restoration of the Human Organism through concentration on numbers. The number sequence for healing panaritium is 8999999, and for restoring normal values of laboratory indicators 1489999. While working with number sequences, first I concentrated on each number of the sequence for approximately 5 seconds, and then I concentrated for approximately 5 seconds on the number located on the plate of the device beside the corresponding lens on its surface. During concentration on numbers, I constantly held the goal of controlling in my thoughts. I worked for about 15 minutes. Besides, I used method given by Grigory Grubovoi in 2000 on TV6 channel program Formula of Health, method for curing inoperable pancreatic cancer. For the goal, cure panaritium, the toe is normal, I concentrated on the area of information of curing, which is located in the chest area and slightly below, in the area of my daughter's stomach projection. Through this area, I directed concentration toward my daughter's heels to activate her body's interaction with the external environment and engage the body's receptors that determine health norm concerning the diagnosis of panaritium. The entire work on helping my daughter took about 1 hour. Result: on November 12, 2020, the panaritium was healed, the big toe of my daughter's left foot was normal, and the pain disappeared, both when pressing on the toe and while walking. I thank Grigory Petrovich for the knowledge.